What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mura. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Sony WH-1000XM6 to MacBook Pro M4 Max. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, press the power button for 10 seconds in your Sony headphones. So right now the headphones are on pairing mode. We're gonna go to the MacBook settings, go to Bluetooth. As you guys can see, so it's gonna start searching for the devices near the MacBook. You just need to wait. After that, you're gonna see WH-1000XM6. So the moment you see that, click connect. And as you guys can see, right now they are connected automatically. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest tutorials, and don't forget to visit our official website, theinternetmula.com. Thank you guys again. See you on the next one. Bye.